Let's prove basic proportionality theorem or Thales theorem. If a line is drawn parallel to one side of a triangle to intersect the other two sides in distinct points, the other two sides are divided in the same ratio. Here, DE is drawn parallel to BC. We have to prove that AD is to DB equal to AE is to EC. So we have done construction EN perpendicular to AD and DM perpendicular to AE, and we have joined point BE and CD. Now let's find out the area of triangle ADE. So area of triangle ADE equal to half base into height. So base we take AD and height is En. Also, if we find the area of triangle BDE, then base will be DB but perpendicular will be same. So now area of triangle BDE equal to half BD into perpendicular is En and EN. Now we divide these two areas. So area of triangle ADE divided by area of triangle BDE. Half will cancel out, En will cancel out, so B will be left with AD upon BD. We leave it here. Now we consider the areas from this side. So again, area of triangle AED AED when we take this AES base, so it will be half AE multiplied by perpendicular is DM, and then we consider area of CDE. So this time again perpendicular will be DM and base will be CE. So area of triangle CDE half base is CE multiplied by DM. Now we divide these two areas. So we get area of triangle AED divided by area of triangle CDE equal to, from here half will cancel out and DM also cancels. Then we will be left with AE upon CE. This is equation number 2. Now here BC is parallel to DE. So area of triangle BDE and area of triangle CED will be same. So we have area of triangle BDE equal to area of triangle CDE. Logic: areas of two triangles or areas of the triangles between same parallels and on same base are equal. Here DE parallel to BC and DE is base for both the triangles, for triangle DEB and DEC. So they have same area. So if we observe in equation 1, denominator is area of triangle BDE, and in equation 2, area of triangle CD. So and numerator is already equal. So we can say that equation 1 equal to equation 2. So we can write area of triangle ADE divided by, in place of BD we can write area of triangle CD, area of triangle CDE equal to AD upon BD, and this equation is already the area of triangle AED divided by area of triangle CD equal to AE upon CE. So both will be equal. So we get AE divided by CE equal to AD divided by BD. So this was our purpose. AE to EC, CE or EC both are equal. So both mean same thing. And AD to BD. The statement was, if a line is drawn parallel to one side of a triangle, here this is triangle ABC in which this line is drawn parallel to BC to intersect other two sides in distinct points. Here D and E are distinct points where this line is intersecting. So we have to prove that the two sides are divided in the same ratio. That is AD is to DB equal to AE is to EC. Here we have got AE upon CE equal to AD upon BD, and that is the required answer. Thank you.